Mr. Burberry.
Which one?
I'm getting second opinion.
That's a new. Maybe that one she also not smelled it.
Kasi yung tablet net na ano na nalusaw
One
na.
of them needs to be, but I don't know.
Hindi po, magnet lang yun.
Ang magnet ng akala ko nalusaw na.
Hindi siya maluluso.
On the Philippines, something.
Tamim, give me one.
Ganun na yun, tapos na yun.
Lalagyan ko lang siya ng cover up.
Yung sealed niya yan.
Parang namang gusto ko siya makaano.